In this video, I will show you how to withdraw money from Kraken. So what you're going to do is you're going over to your portfolio section, and in here you're going to scroll down, and here you see all your assets. And when you want to withdraw money, you're going to click on your currency, and I have euros, so I'm going to click on euro. And in here you see withdraw at the bottom left. So when we click on this, we see that we can enter amount, and then below we can enter a new bank account. You can select a SEPA instant or a SWIFT, and SEPA is near instant and has a €1 fee and a €2 minimum. So I would recommend you to use SEPA. And in here, you're just basically going to enter your IBAN number. So after you have entered that, click on continue. In here, you need to give your account a nickname. So I'm just going to call it bank account. And then I'm going to click on continue. So after you have confirmed your name and your IBAN number, you will receive an email in your mailbox. It can be in your spam or your junk, where you have to confirm your bank account. So you basically click on confirm bank account in here. And as you can see, my bank account is successfully added. So now we can return back to the Kraken app. Right now we are good to go to withdraw money from Kraken. So just enter an amount above €2. It will be equivalent to $2. And then click on review. And then you can click on confirm. And then you will finalize your withdrawal. So that is how you do it. Thank you for watching. Subscribe.